Well, good Monday afternoon, East Texas. We're looking at some great weather out there so far today. Plenty of blue skies mixing in with some of the higher clouds kind of crossing into the region. One thing to note, though, notice the flags here really whipping there in the breeze that we have across the region. So if you're out on the area waters or maybe moving around downtown, you're noticing a breeze. Right now at the south at around 10. It's been gusting to 15 to 20 at times. Humidity at 61%, so that's on the increase. We're starting to see more moisture increasing across the region. Temperatures out there across the area showcasing again upper 60s and lower 70s right now. Look at Crockett though at 77 degrees already, 74 in Palestine and 72 in Athens. So we're on our way to a very warm day. Your forecasted highs, of course, calling for highs into the low to mid 70s all across East Texas, again with a mix of sun and clouds, and we're going to see more clouds streaming in as we progress throughout the day from the west. Now let's get right to your forecast as we check out Storm Tracker Live Doppler radar. Again, you can see not much in the way of rainfall out there at this time, and you're saying, where's all this rain coming from? We're going to show you that here in just a moment. We do have some of the thicker clouds now beginning to stream from Dallas and moving into the northern half of East Texas, and that's a sign of some of the changes here. High pressure that brought us all of that fantastic weather over the weekend, except for the fact that it was also a cold air mass as well, beginning to shift off to the east now. So what that means for us is we look back to the west, and that's where our next weather maker is coming from. Now, whenever we're in between high pressure and low pressure, we get kind of sandwiched in there. We get that squeeze play. So that funnels all the winds in, kind of like a tunnel. You funnel the winds in, and that's what's going to cause the breezy conditions today, but also the warm conditions. But here it is, our next weather maker. This is our next wet weather system, and it arrives here in East Texas on your Tuesday afternoon, and that will bring us the potential for some heavy rainfall again on your Tuesday, followed by some cooler temperatures as we move into the midweek time frame. So let's map it out for you hour by hour. Your Monday, again, a mix of sun and clouds. We're in the lower 70s here at lunchtime. By this afternoon and evening, we're going to see the clouds continue to thicken and also begin to lower, and that's a sign of some changes on the way. But notice we mainly stay dry. Heading into your Tuesday, though, here comes that rain first moving in from the north, so that by lunchtime, the northern half of the area is seeing rain, and that rain overspreads the rest of East Texas as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours. In fact, look at your clock, Tuesday, 10 o'clock, rain over the entire East Texas region here for us. So widespread on the rain on the way. In fact, this sticks around right on through your Wednesday, where, again, we could see between now and Wednesday 1 to 3 inches on average with, yes, some higher totals in some locations. So 74 today with just partly cloudy skies. It will be breezy, but it should stay dry. Also tonight, dry with 60 degrees, increasing clouds. Don't forget, again, tomorrow is election day. The polls open up at 7 a.m. Make sure you get out and vote. Make sure your voice is heard. It's going to be a wet one, though, especially, let's say, from lunchtime and beyond, with an 80% chance of those showers and storms increasing across the area. Temperatures for highs into the mid-70s, and over the next 7 days, that rainfall continues into your Wednesday. It also turns cooler, but then we try to dry things out by Thursday, but staying cool with temperatures below normal into the weekend. But a soaker is on the way for tomorrow.
All right. Thanks so much, Cedric.